In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix site SEO friendly using free tools. We'll walk through this directly inside your Wix dashboard, and by the end you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so search engines like Google can better understand and rank your site. First, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the site you want to optimize. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu with different options for managing your site. From that menu, click on Marketing. This is where Wix keeps all of the tools related to promoting your site, including SEO. When the marketing section opens, look for the option labeled SEO and GEO. Go ahead and click on SEO and GEO. This is your central hub for anything related to search engine optimization and how your site appears in different locations. Even if you're just getting started with SEO, this page is designed to guide you step by step. On the SEO and GEO page, you should see an area that introduces Wix's SEO setup tools. Here, look for a button that says Start Setup. Click on Start Setup. What this does is launch Wix's built-in SEO wizard, which walks you through the basic configuration your site needs in order to be more search-friendly. After you click Start Setup, you'll be taken to another screen that focuses on getting your site found on Google. On this page, look for the button labeled Get Started and click on Get Started. This begins a guided process where Wix asks you a few questions about your business or project, your target audience, and the type of website you're running. These questions help Wix tailor SEO suggestions specifically for your site. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Wix will guide you through tasks like checking your site's title and description, making sure your homepage is optimized, and helping you connect to Google so your site can be indexed. Take your time with each prompt, read the explanations that appear on the screen, and fill in any information as accurately and clearly as you can. If Wix suggests changes to your text or settings, review them and apply what makes sense for your brand. Continue following each step until the setup is complete. Once you're done, your Wix site will be much more SEO friendly, all using Wix's free built-in tools.